To start off, I sketched what I wanted the outfit to look like. Then I took a piece of parchment paper and drew over the outlines on the outfit so that way I could transfer this design onto a piece of cardstock paper. Then I took a 4B pencil and drew on the other side or the line over the lines. I then put the graphite side down on the piece of cardstock paper and drew over the lines I made with pen beforehand. Once I removed the cardstock paper, I was able to draw on the lines that were made. Then I used watercolor to color in my design. This design is split into 5 parts: a hat, a vest, an undershirt, a skirt, and then stockings. For the vest, I found this pattern in my stash and I think I'm going to use it. And then for the vest, it says I'll need 1.5 yards of fabric. So on Amazon, I found stockings similar to the ones I illustrated, and these are the ones I'm going to be buying. Sorry for how grainy the image is, but on the Hobby Lobby website, I found red poly satin fabric that was on discount. Then I also found some black poly satin fabric which was also on discount. Lastly, for the undershirt, I found this in my closet and I think it will work nicely. Overall, I'm happy with my design and I'm excited to start making it. However, this will take a while, so I will publish a video about my making process, but that may take a couple weeks to get done. Thanks for watching, bye!